Hi everyone, Stacy Whiter here on behalf of Campus Mortgage with a 3-part video series on Fannie Mae's HomeStyle renovation loan. Now just a quick reminder before we get started, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice or used in place of Fannie Mae guidelines. Also, this video was issued on September 12, 2017, and the information contained in this video is subject to change without notice. So the HomeStyle renovation mortgage is a great way for borrowers to include renovation financing or renovation costs into the purchase or refinance of their current home. Let's take a look at some of the program highlights. It's great for purchasing fixer-upper homes. It can be purchased as a primary, secondary, or investment home. The LTV is going to be based on the after improvements, and we'll talk about that more in just a second. Renovations, repairs, and/or improvements can be up to 50% of the as-completed value. So the way that this loan works is that the LTV is based on the after improved value. So what is the estimated value of the home after you've added on that master bedroom or you have finished the basement? So that's a really unique part of this program, is you can borrow money based on what the value of the home is going to be after all the renovations or repairs are complete. Also, there is some do-it-yourself allowed. So what that means is that some of the work or some of the repairs can be done by the borrower, but there are some restrictions which we'll talk about in later videos. There's no required improvements or restrictions on improvements. So for example, FHA has a similar loan called the 203K, and they're pretty restrictive on certain requirements for what improvements have to be done, whereas the Fannie Mae HomeStyle is more flexible. There's no minimum dollar amount, meaning there's no minimum amount that has to be spent towards the renovations. Now, certainly if you're talking $1,000, it may not be worth doing the loan, but they don't set a minimum. It's one loan and one closing. It's not a construction to perm loan. It's a standard mortgage. Also, it has fixed rates. Now, a perfect example for this program would be someone who maybe wants to purchase a home that's a fixer-upper that's currently not eligible for Fannie Mae financing, meaning the home is not in adequate shape. Maybe there's roof issues, foundation issues, things like that. This is a great program for a borrower to use to be able to purchase that home using Fannie Mae financing and get it up to Fannie Mae standards and finance in the renovation costs. All right, everyone, that concludes part 1 of this 3-part video series. Thanks so much for watching. For more tips and videos, please visit campusmortgage.org to look for their weekly mortgage video tips designed for all mortgage professionals, including underwriters, loan officers, processors, closers, and post-closers. Have a great day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.